This video is exclusively created for Gloria 3 Christian Elementary School. Happy Thanksgiving! Thanksgiving is celebrated in the USA and Canada. It is celebrated on the fourth Thursday in November every year. The Canadians celebrate it on the second Monday in October. It is associated with giving thanks to God. In the beginning, people expressed gratitude for the harvest they reap. It is used to be a religious holiday, but now it has become a secular celebration. The most important part of the celebration is the dinner, which includes the customary turkey served with cranberry sauce and pumpkin. A lot of business goes on during this holiday. For example, restaurants take advantage of the holiday to sell turkey dinners. Families and friends usually get together for a large meal or dinner during Thanksgiving and have a lot of fun. That's why the Thanksgiving holiday weekend is considered one of the busiest travel periods of the year. Students are given a 4-day or 5-day weekend vacation. Thanksgiving is also a paid holiday for most workers.